Okay, so this is called,
right,
it's really
let's
this is
rock a
called the
cocktail.
Paloma, but it's
The
now called
Paloma.
the Molly. It is basically grapefruit juice, which I love, fresh grapefruit juice.
I love grapefruit juice.
I love a little Casamigos tequila. I'm not gonna lie about that.
It's delicious.
It's very delicious. A little lime juice, a little agave for sweetener. I do think of it like a fourth.
Right.
It's so good. So I'm just gonna go, like I kind of already
I'm gonna
know
rim these for you. I
how
rubbed
to
it
do
with a
this.
little bit of the grapefruit.
And I'm telling you, this is so good. And the key here is a little lime juice and a little tagine, which is your little, you want to rim it a little bit.
What do I have here?
This is salt. This is like your margarita salt. This is the tahini. But
so this is like a little spice. Gotcha.
I add a little teaspoon of agave. Again, you can also do maple syrup. You can add more or
sweetener.
less.
Yep.
Natural sweetener. Little grapefruit slice.
It's like a health tonic, really.
I could like literally like this was me in Mexico, okay, literally. Like I'm not joking.
Did he love it?
Wait, hold on. I didn't add the most important part.
Oh, you
the
didn't
tequila.
even. Oh my God, you didn't put the tequila in. Are you crazy?
That's how much I might as well have a.
What's his name?
His name is Scott Stuber, Mr. Stuber.
Hi, Scott. Happy birthday,
Stuber.
honey.
I'm gonna have one more.
Oh my God, that is so good.
Really quickly, I just want to talk about this little DIY bar. It's called an herbal drink bar. So you can do rosemary, tarragon, basil, mint, and you put it all out. And they're great. We have a little guide.
Oh, I see.
So
on
you
the
can,
bottom there.
So you can
rosemary
add
goes
for
with vodka or citrus.
Right. Basil vodka,
goes
gin.
with vodka and gin.
And
mint goes with rum.
Exactly.
Very clever.
And again, you can add a sprig, you can add a little grapefruit. It just like makes it
so
fancy.
And it's so healthy.
And it's so healthy. And you can have like 10 and never know it.
I forgot my vitamins, but I'm square now.